Uche, your hair is beautiful. See Uche fine hair. See Uche's fine hair. Beautiful hairstyle. Beautiful. Don't touch. Don't touch. Mama, don't touch that thing. Don't touch it. You can look at the camera. And look at it. Look at the camera. Mama, look at it. Uche, come here. I want to look. Come this side.
It's camera.
Uche, come this side. Come here.
Look at the camera.
It's not camera, it's camera, Mama.
Camera.
Say camera.
Camera.
No. Put your hand. Say camera. Say camera.
Camera.
Uche, say camera.
Camera.
Say camera. You want to say camera?
Camera.
Say camera.
Camera.
Not cameras. Camera. Say camera, not cameras.
Camera.
No. No. Look up. Look on it. Look at it. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hi, beautiful. See my beautiful hair. Mommy made beautiful hair for me. Yeah, say it. Auntie. Auntie, go from there. Please, thank you. Say, Mommy made beautiful hair for me. Wait, see. Wait, see.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, move your hand.
Wow, you look beautiful. My hair looks beautiful. Wow, see, your hair looks beautiful. No wrinkles. Rain shades hair.
Okay, move your hand.
No, why is there no way? Put this.
Just put it on. Tell us, do you like the hair?
Yes,
What do you say?
Mommy, thank you.
For what?
Thank you for packing my hair.
It's beautiful, huh? You look good. Say thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Show me your face. Look here.
She's touching my hair.
Yeah, what do you say?
Thank you.
Do you like your hair? Eh? Your mommy is a chef and also a stylist. Isn't it looking beautiful? Oh yeah, turn your back. Let's see your back. Mommy is a chef and also a what? A hairstylist. Eh? Turn again. Turn again. Turn again, Bob. Don't let it.
That's so painful.
Do you like your hair?
Yes.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Eh?
Thank you.
Eh?
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, baby. This is beautiful. Your hair is looking gorgeous.
Mommy, I don't like this.
Yes. Do it again.
Mommy, thank you.
Thank God, my darling. Your hair is gorgeous, eh? Turn your back, let me see. Beautiful, my damsel.